Disgraced former Congresswoman Corrine Brown was back in federal court today seeking relief from the terms of her release. Brown was convicted, you may remember, on 18 charges of fraud and tax evasion back in 2016 for running a sham charity for personal gain. She has appealed her conviction and was recently granted a rehearing of her case before the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. Well, no date has been set for that, but Brown was released from prison early due to concerns about the coronavirus. She's been required to wear an ankle monitor and check in with a halfway house as terms of her release. Well, her attorney argued that she should be free from those requirements pending the outcome of her appeal. And today a judge granted that request.